In this video, you'll learn how to accept an offer in eBay. By following these steps, you will be able to manage buyer offers effectively and ensure a smooth transaction process. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Once logged in, locate the top menu where you will find an option labeled My eBay. Click on this section to proceed. From here, navigate to either the Messages or Offers section. This area displays all buyer offers you have received. Look for the specific offer you want to review and click on it to open the details. Carefully evaluate the proposed price of the offer. It is important to check if this amount aligns with your minimum acceptable price. Take a moment to review buyer details as necessary, as this can influence your decision. Proper evaluation helps to avoid hasty agreements that may not meet your expectations. If you find the offer satisfactory, look for the button labeled Accept Offer on the offer page. Click this button to proceed. The system will prompt you to confirm your selection. Ensure that you confirm the acceptance when prompted. Once accepted, eBay will mark the listing as sold to that buyer, and they will receive a notification to complete the payment. It is crucial to ensure that your payment settings are active and ready for transactions. This step is necessary to facilitate a smooth completion of the sale. After accepting the offer, you will need to wait for the buyer to complete the payment process. During this time, you can monitor the orders section of your account to check the payment status. Once payment is received, you should prepare the item for shipping according to the description provided in your listing. Make sure to pack the item securely to prevent any damage during transit. After packing, print the shipping label and upload the tracking details. This action finalizes the accepted offer process successfully. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.